What's going on, everyone, and welcome to the RabidMining YouTube channel. Rabid here, and we got some exciting news going on for you guys. So later on today, during my live stream, we're going to be releasing the public beta of the CPU mining what to mine. So wait, what are you talking about? CPU mining what to mine? So as we know, we got what to mine for GPUs. It's the go-to website, all we need when it comes to GPU mining. We can check profitabilities across a whole bunch of coins, see what to point what cards to, but there's nothing for CPUs. It is really hard to find what's profitable, which is why I've always been doing these tests. I do 1 week tests on this coin, that coin. Sometimes I throw 6 rigs on 6 different coins, tested that week, but the difficulty, the prices, everything is constantly going up and down. So it's hard to get a precise profitability on CPUs until now. So we're going to go over to my workstation fairly soon here and kind of show you what I'm talking about, give you a quick run through, and then later on, I guess at the time of watching this video, in a couple hours it will be released to the public on my website rabidmining.com. But first, I want to take a look at something here. These are new brackets. The old ones you can see right there is what I am running on my CPU mining rigs. They are 3D printed standoffs. You can see right underneath everything. But I got some new ones here. Custom made. You can see right here, it's holding it up a bracket on the side. It's inverted, so I have the cooler down like this. It fits here nice and perfectly. We even got some space up there. And then also they got the RM. You can kind of see that, the R in this one. And that one's kind of blocked over there, but it says RM obviously for RabidMining. And this side here also has holes in it to mount SSD drives if that's what you're using. Now this rig here is using an M2 drive, so it's not needed in this case. I also want to have a look at, where is it here? So I am running these 5 here off of this 1200 watt server power supply, but I do want to point out I'm changing all the ends over. So currently, on the most of them, I am using these barrel plugs. I almost fell over. So I am using these barrel plugs right here, but one of my rigs started to melt it a little bit right in this corner, and I swapped them over to Anderson plugs. So if you're unfamiliar with Anderson plugs, that's these guys right here, and they are rated for 30 amps all the way up to 600 volts. So here, it is only going to be 12 volts, so they're good for about 320 to 350 watts or something. So way within margin of the 300 watt picos that I am using on these. I'm also testing out this Gold Shell HS light. There'll be a video on this, a couple videos on this later on though, but I would like to do a shout out to Coin Mining Central for giving me the opportunity to even test this miner at first place. So if you are looking for ASICs or anything, be sure to hit the description up. I do have links to dedicated official ASIC vendors. So we're over here at my workstation now, and we're looking at my website where I'm trying to put tutorials, news together, and all sorts of buying guides to crypto hardware here. Also, my merch store is here as well, just saying. Anyway, this is the CPU to mine test version 1. So pretty much you got to know your hash rates of your CPU first. I'll put in some quick 3900X numbers here. So like random X running efficiently around 12,230. Random X is for YATTOMINE as well as Monero, so XMR if you are unaware of that. But you can totally get on a 3900X with some decent RAM, about 15,300, but you're upwards of over 200 watts when you're running 12,230 or so like this, nice and efficient with no XMP profile. You're only burning about 109 watts, so less than half the power for only a couple kilohash short. Way better hash to watt ratio. So this is what I run. You can run whatever you want, but you do got to know your hash rate. So random X, 12,230. Minotaur X, so that is your Avian. We get about 16,100. Ghost Rider, that's your Raptoreum. I get about 3,500, I guess. Anywhere between 3 to 3.5 kilohash on average, depending on your CPU. Kryptonite Haven, so this is Haven here. It's about 1188 on a 3900X. It's about 13 or 14 on a 5950X, for example. Curve hash, this is our Pulsar. It seems to be bugged right now, not really reporting. It might be fixed by the time I release. We'll see what happens. Remember, it's just a public beta. We're about 42, 43 mega hash here on a 3900X. What is it? 30. Okay, it's 34, I guess. That's some Intels that are actually in the 40s there. And then we got Aragon 2 ID Chihuahua. That's like your turtle coinish action. I can't remember what my hash rate is here. It's got my saved values. Okay, so it's 16,480. Now you can add the watts that you're in and then base it on your power price, and it'll also take off your power. So I'm just going to hit the calculate button right off the get-go. And we've been watching Avian fall in difficulty, so the coins mined is picking up. So it's guessing about 98 cents on Avian. Veruscoin's at about 92 cents. Haven's about 67. We are experiencing an issue with WHATTOMINE not reporting the blocks correctly at the moment. But yesterday it was telling me about $2 a day. So I did go and mine that. Remember, this is current values. It's not like the average and what to mine. You can set what to mine to current as well. So when stuff happens like this second, you can do that. So sometimes this is picking up the block difficulties before like something like mining pool stats is even saying that. And it updates every 15 minutes. So you come in here, hit calculate every 15 minutes. It will be updated to the latest profitable coin. Scrolling down, but anyway, this was telling me last night about $2. It's saying 156 coins right now. I just went into my wallet and I did mine about 400 and some coins. I went to the price now, so 424. I did get $1.78 in the past 24 hours. That test ended just now. So based on when I did do this yesterday, I was within about 20 cents of getting what it is. And now it looks like it dropped down to 65 cents. Still trying to figure out if that's just a block issue. I have been talking about this, so maybe the difficulty was picking up as well. Then we can see all these other coins. We got XMR, Turtle Coin, Pulsar. Doesn't seem to be reporting yet. But remember, this is very, very early beta. And we're going to need you guys to join the Discord for bug reporting. But this is essentially what it's going to look like later on in the live stream. This will be released for you guys, and the link and everything will be posted in my live stream as well. So stay tuned for that, everybody. All right, guys, so that pretty much does sum up this video. So I am recording this last night at the time of watching this because I am releasing this in the morning here. So hopefully most of these bugs will be worked out by the time the public beta releases, but it's here. Finally, there's something we can look at and use to looking at profitabilities of CPUs, because it's been so hard to guess before. So if this helps you in any way, be sure to join my live stream later on where we'll be going through this a little more in depth and showing you guys the link and everything to it. I'm sure people will slowly start talking about it and the link will get out anyway. Regardless, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Rabid out. Thank you for watching my video, and if you haven't seen one of these, be sure to check them out. And if you already seen them, maybe you missed something, might have to watch it one more time. And if you just let it play in the background, that's all right as well. I do try to live stream every weekend as well as every couple days during the week, so be sure to be subscribed so you don't miss that. As always, have a great day.